Why is the Indus Valley culture called Harappan culture? The first discovery comes from Harappa. What is the population density of Assam? (340 per square kilometer). What is the measurement of the badminton court for singles? (13.41 meter into 5.18 meter). When did India enter into space age by launching the satellite Aryabhatta? (1972). When and where athletics introduced in the Olympics? (1896) at Athens. When was Mandela inaugurated as first black president? (1994). What is the role of WTO, World Trade Organization? Both A and B. What is the measurement of the volleyball court? (18 meter by 9 meter divided into two parts by a net). What were the main factors responsible for World War I? All of the above. When did Christopher Columbus discover the West Indies? (1492 AD). When did the USSR formally disintegrate into 15 republics? (1991). What was the purpose of EFTA, European Free Trade Association? Both A and B. What is the normal red blood count per cubic millimeter? (3 million red blood cells). What is the population density of Andhra Pradesh? (275 per square kilometer). When there is a decrease in the concentration of oxygen in the blood, the breathing rate. increases.